Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie with CoinCasso, and this is Bitcoin Today, a show where we talk about everything cryptocurrency to keep you guys up to date and informed on all things happening in the crypto industry. In today's episode, I primarily want to stick to Ethereum because it had a huge 6.8% rally in the last 24 hours. We're going to first look at why this happened, and secondly, we're going to find out if it's going to continue. We're also going to go over the top cryptocurrency prices as well as some of the top performers in the last 24 hours. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, September 1st. Thank you so much for joining me every single day. Thank you for all of the comments and likes on every one of these videos, and thank you for joining in the Fan of the Day competitions. And if you're new here and you like what you see in this video, consider subscribing down below and tick the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new one. Welcome, everybody. You're tuned into the official YouTube channel for the CoinCasso Cryptocurrency Exchange, the official crypto partner of Paris Saint-Germain. So if you guys are looking for a place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, check out CoinCasso in the link in the description below. Now let's jump right into these prices. Bitcoin currently sitting at $11,713, up 0.3% from yesterday. Ethereum up a whopping 5% at $444.53. XRP up 1.8% at 0.2884. And Chainlink took a big dive from yesterday, down 6% at $15.77. All right, now let's jump into CoinMarketCap. Sort all of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by the percentage gained over the last 24 hours. And as you can see right here, Sushi up 139.47% in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely astronomical. Kusama up 38.2%, Serum up 35.9%, BitShares 26%, UMA 26%, and Compound 20%. If you guys are looking to make quick money in cryptocurrencies, altcoins are still moving like crazy, so sort this chart by the top performers in the last 24 hours. Look at the charts and see which ones still have room to grow. If you catch one of these at the right time, say you invested in Sushi yesterday with $10,000. Today, you would have $24,000. That's insane. All right, now let's jump into TradingView and take a deep dive into Ethereum to see what happened with the price over the last 24 hours and where I think the price is going to go in the future. As you can see here, this is the time that I made yesterday's video. We were sitting at about $418 to $424. During the course of the day, it rocketed up to 38%, which was a gain of 4.5%. Over the next several hours, it consolidated with a few drops down, sitting at about 431 before it spiked all the way up to $447. In the last 30 minutes, however, this is very interesting to me. The price was sitting at $447, and in 15 minutes, the bears tried to push it down, got to 443, but the bulls took over again and brought it up to 446. This right here shows me that the bulls are in control. Looking at the RSI right here, you can see we hit a level of 77.2, which is pretty high on the RSI and usually signifies a time to drop off. It did drop down to 63, but it is climbing back up right now. Now what I've done here is taken Ethereum out to the daily chart since the March 12th bottom, and primarily what I want to focus on is since July 21st when we went from $234 and now currently sitting at $447. This was the huge rally. We saw a nice resistance point right here, which was its previous highest high, I think about a year ago. Saw a deep pullback and a long consolidation period here for about 10 days. Rallied back up above that highest point, but couldn't hold, and the bears took it down. This has been the last 2 weeks in cryptocurrency. Pretty much every single market was down. There was some altcoins that got some pretty massive gains, but most everything stayed flat. Now, if today's candle can close somewhere up here or higher, preferably the 485 level would be really nice. We will be seeing a higher high, a higher high, and a higher high right here, a higher low, a higher low, a higher low, but just barely. So what I'm expecting is the price to come up here, drop down maybe to 417, and then climb back up. You want to see higher highs and higher lows. When you see huge spikes like this, eventually you'll have a nice big crash back down, which is what I don't want to see. I don't like seeing parabolic spikes. Yes, they make me excited, but I like seeing more of an incremental, slow, steady gain. It's more sustainable that way. The next level that I'm a little bit concerned about is a $500 barrier. Cryptocurrencies struggle with even numbers, so what I'd like to see is the price coming just below 500, dropping back down, and then breaking through through it without even stopping at it as a resistance point, then coming back down and using it as support and then climbing back up. Fingers crossed that everything goes well for Ethereum over the next week and it keeps gaining. But even if it doesn't, the next 5 years for Ethereum looks very, very positive. So if you're long-term holding, you have nothing to worry about. As far as day trading Ethereum, I would highly suggest against it, as you can never predict the actual top of a bull run. So you might think you're right, sell off, and then the price spikes up another 10%. So there's no real interesting news articles. I'm just gonna read some headlines off of Cointelegraph today just to kind of give you a scope of what's going on. And as you can see here, analysts predict Yearn Finance Ethereum vault could spark renewed Ether bull run, which is pretty much why the price just spiked up. If you haven't heard about Yearn, watch yesterday's video. Major Swiss health insurance company now accepts crypto payments, which is a big step in cryptocurrencies. Some more crypto miners in Malaysia stealing energy that got arrested. This one seems kind of interesting. A mysterious Bitcoin mining pattern potentially solved after 7 years. This could probably have something to do with Satoshi Nakamoto. And this one seems pretty interesting as well. Bitcoin will hit a new high in the near term as Buffett exits USD. If you don't know what that means, he's pretty much shorting the dollar. Now you guys know what time it is. Let's choose the fan of the day. Looking through the comments here, let's see what stands out. And the fan of the day is Ubaid Ali. Hopefully I pronounced your name right. Congratulations, you are fan of the day. You will be the pinned comment on that video. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, and commenting. If you guys got some value out of this video, don't forget to subscribe on your way out and leave a thumbs up on this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you here tomorrow.